No, I didn't.
You certainly did sneeze. I heard you.
I was just clearing my throat.
Why? What's wrong with your throat?
There's nothing wrong with my throat. I just cleared it.
People don't clear their throats unless there's something wrong.
Well, there's nothing wrong with my throat. There's nothing.
That's what you say. I caught you that time. Was that a sneeze or was that not a sneeze?
All right, I sneezed. So...
Didn't I tell you this morning to wear your rubbers? Did you ever listen to me? No.
The sun was shining. Why should I wear my rubbers?
So naturally you caught a cold.
I haven't got a cold.
If sneezing isn't a cold, what is it?
Sneezing is sneezing.
One more sneeze and I'm going to do something about it. An ounce of prevention, you know. Marion's husband started out with just a sneeze, and you know what happened to him. The one thing I can't understand about men... Now, you just sit there. We'll
What
take
are
care
you
of
making
this.
a big fuss about nothing? I'm telling you there's nothing wrong with me. Every time, the least little thing.
Why, you
temperature
will never
right away
listen
with
to me.
this.
I do not
no.
know.
What
I told you to wear your rubbers, but no, you won't listen.
What are you putting on a blanket on me?
Worst kind of weather.
What are you...
I told you never get rid of
What
it.
are you
I
doing
tell
to me here? Just a sneeze, boys. What are you...
Now, we shall see what we shall see. If we can see it.
Jimmy, that...
Oh, 101!
Oh, I don't...
You certainly do have a temperature. You need some medicine.
Oh, come
Here,
on.
take this. Come on.
I don't know what she makes so much fuss about. Might as well. Yeah, I drank.
Oh, you fool, that's just the water. Here's the medicine. Take it. Come on.
Pretty good.
Feel better?
Yeah, I feel all right now.
You know something? I think that fixed you up.
Good.
Feel much cooler than you did.
Well,
There's a solution to everything if you just keep your head, you
That's
know?
right.
You're ready for an
you always
emergency?
have to do that.
You hiccuped.
So I kicked up.
How many times have I told you not to gulp down your food? Eat slowly, digest.
Listen, there's nothing wrong with that. Hiccup will go in a minute.
You can't just sit there and have hiccups. Look, hold your breath and I'll count to 10. Go on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, I'm fine, thanks. Charles doesn't feel so well. He doesn't look very good to me. He's kind of bloated all over, you know. Tomorrow at 2:30? All right, Phyllis, I'd love to. I know. Bye. 10. That's Phyllis. She wants us to come over tomorrow. She just wants to show off that new furniture of hers, you know. She's not fooling me for 1 second. What's wrong?
What?
What's wrong?
My ear's stuffed up. I don't know.
Hold your nose and exhale.
Yeah, big pop. Feels better now. Answer the phone.
Phone isn't ringing.
Something's ringing. There, stop now. There it goes again.
That's really the phone this time. Hello? Oh, hello, Mother dear. How are you? Why don't you and Daddy come over tonight and we'll have a nice... I know Charles would love.